This water animal is known as fish. Many fish, like clownfish, form lifelong bonds. Some even clean parasites off bigger fish as a teamwork job. This is frogs. Freeze resistant. The wood frog can freeze solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring, like a frog popsicle. Glow in the dark. Some frogs. This is called penguin. Penguins eat stones to help grind up food in their stomachs, and maybe to help them dive deeper. This water animal is known as shark. Sharks keep oceans healthy by eating sick/weak fish. Without them, ecosystems collapse. This is dolphins. Dolphins are super smart. They have bigger brains than humans, relative to body size, and can recognize themselves in mirrors, just like you. This animal is known as chameleons. They move super slowly, like wind-up toys, to avoid being seen by predators or prey. This insect is known as beetles. The smallest beetle, featherwing, fits on a pinhead, while the biggest, titan beetle, is as long as a chihuahua. Mantis. Female mantises sometimes eat the male after mating, but not always. It's a myth that it always happens. This is cheetah. Cheetah is a wild animal and is the biggest member of the cat family. It is a very cruel and ferocious animal. This is camel. There are two types of camels. Dromedary camels have one hump and live in the Middle East and Africa. Bactrian camels have two humps and live in Central Asia. This is called butterflies. Most adult butterflies live only 2 to 4 weeks, though some monarchs live 8 months. Dogs. Dogs have 3 eyelids. The third eyelid, called a jaw, helps protect their eyes from dirt and dust.